Hi guys, welcome to Style Color Palettes with Isapram. In today's video, I'm going to be styling an outfit using this color palette. Okay, I'm going to show you the things I'm going to use to style this outfit. Let's find out if it is a gorgeous combination. Now let's get started.
Everything I ever wanted never fulfilled the need. Every time I got ahead of myself, I fell back on my knees. The dream only took me so far. As the keys abandoned the car, 'cause my shoes were only made for fashion. Tight fit for the king, not fit for purpose. Kiss the ring. How deep down obsession showed everything. There was a knockout in the ring, a hit for the crowd. The show begins, an immoral tribal happening. Yeah. Nervous at best, if not scared. The worst is still to come. Our best in arrears. We never saw it coming. No, 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 never saw it coming. Yeah. We were never looking. Tight fit for the king, not fit for purpose. Let's kiss the ring. Our deep down obsession showing everything. Don't take the blame, don't take the blame for a single thing. Just kiss the ring. Tight fit for the king, not fit for purpose. Oh, everything he ever wanted. Everything he ever wanted. Everything I ever wanted. Everything he ever wanted. Never fulfilled the need. Every time I got ahead of myself, everything he ever wanted. I got back on my knees. Everything he ever wanted. Everything he ever wanted. Dream only took me so far. Everything he ever wanted.
Okay guys, what do you think of this outfit? Do you like it? Do you like the color palette as well? If you do, you can comment in the comment section down below, okay? And remember to thumbs up this video, okay? And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can join the family. And as well, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I start having a new video. And I want to say thanks so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.